Ever wondered how much cash you can pull out of an ATM with your shiny new Neon card? Let's dive right in. Hey there, fellow Neon card holders. Today, we're tackling a burning question: how much can you actually withdraw from your Neon card at an ATM? It's a simple query, but one that often sparks curiosity. So, let's clear the air. Understanding Neon's withdrawal limits. Now, the exact withdrawal limit can vary depending on a few factors. Your account tier. Neon offers different account tiers, each with its own set of limits. Generally, higher tiers allow for larger withdrawals. ATM network. The ATM network you're using can also influence the maximum withdrawal amount. Some networks might have specific limits in place. Neon's terms and conditions. Always refer to Neon's official terms and conditions for the most accurate and up-to-date information. How to check your withdrawal limit. If you're unsure about your specific withdrawal limit, there are a few ways to check. Neon app. The easiest way is to check your Neon app. It will display your current balance and available withdrawal limit. Neon website. You can also log into your Neon account on the website to find this information. Contact Neon support. If you still have questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to contact Neon's customer support. They're always ready to assist. Tips for maximizing your ATM withdrawals. Here are a few tips to make the most of your ATM withdrawals. Plan your withdrawals. Consider your spending needs and withdraw the necessary amount to avoid unnecessary fees. Check ATM fees. Be aware of any fees that might be charged by the ATM network or your bank. Choose ATMs that have lower or no fees. Security first. Always be cautious when using ATMs. Shield your PIN, avoid suspicious ATMs, and be mindful of your surroundings. While Neon offers a convenient way to access your funds, it's essential to understand the limitations. By keeping an eye on your account tier, checking the ATM network, and following the guidelines provided by Neon, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free withdrawal experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.